Welcome to SmartWeb YouTube channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to print colors, use color to print colored outputs in Python. Now before we continue this, please, the only thing you can help us is to help us to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can see that we are growing, so click the subscribe button, like the videos, and also share if you have this. So today I'll be teaching you how to print colored output in Python. How do we do that? First of all, we have to install this library called Colorama. So let's get to its pipe. Install Colora Colorama. So let's do this and see if it goes through. Now you can see this is installing. So after installing this, what else do we need? We have to import it from Colorama. Import a library called for import. And one thing, what's it called? What I'm using is Google Colab, and you can see one thing from Google Colab: when you are writing your code, it's also suggesting for you. You can see this. So what you can use any editor. You can use Jupyter Notebook, you can use VS Code, and any editor that you like. So the next thing here is, let's dive straight into it. Let's say you want to print something and you want the output to be red or any color that you want. Just very simple. What you need to do is just print in bracket. You use this particular dependency called for dots. Now it will even suggest for you. You can see colors available here that is suggested for you. So if you want yellow, you just click on yellow. The next thing you have to do is what? Click plus. After plus, the next thing there is what? String. You said what? Francis. When you print this, let's print it. You can see the color of this is yellow. So the same thing, print. You can just select any color that you want for, right? Dots. Let's say we want blue plus string price, and so on and so forth. So this is how it works. So this is how you can print colored output in Python. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share to your friends. But we'll be doing more of these videos every day, every blessed day. Please help us to subscribe and like, share. Bye.